Hello everyone, my name is Ann. Welcome to the Nail Tip Show. With COVID-19 pandemic, many salons has been closed. In this video, I want to share with you a couple ideas to implement a safety guidelines for nail salon owners and for nail tech to get ready to go back safely and responsibly manners. So let's get started. Every salon should take steps to reduce the risk of COVID-19 and create a safer environment for workers and clients. Salon owners, managers must provide training, reinforcement on proper sanitation, and safety protocols to keep everyone safe. Nail salons should only resume operations when they are ready and able to implement the necessary safety measures to provide their clients with a safer salon experience. All salons must be thoroughly cleaned and disinfected prior to reopening. Remove chairs, all magazines, and paper reading products from the reception area. Remove beverages, candies, decorations, and other non-essential items in the salon. Display a set of guidelines for clients that can be seen upon entry of the salon. The guidelines should include instructions to wear a mask at all times. Wash hands before service. Maintain a physical distance of 6 feet apart from others. Wait outside or in the car until their turn for service. Only allow patrons with an appointment inside, and not enter the salon if feeling feverish. So as you can see here in front of the salon, we have prepared 2 signage in front of the door to show you some safety guidelines for our clients to help protect the clients and our employees as well. So let's come into the salon. As a client walk in the salon, be sure to have a hand sanitizer ready for them. And after that, ask them to check in. And first thing that I think you should have is a service agreement, which include names and address and a little bit information about them and what kind of service they are getting on that day. So in case anything happens, we can always track them back. And if they don't have a mask, please have a mask to offer them or have one for them to purchase while they're in the salon. And then check their temperature, okay? And we recommend the one with touchless infrared thermometer, so that way, you don't have to physically be so close to them, all right? And then, of course, you wanna make sure they pick up a nice color. While a client is checking in, the nail tech is setting the table, getting the tools ready, wearing new and clean protection gear before each service, such as gloves and masks for a manicure service. It is best to use a disposable manicure kit, like Candy Cube, complete for the service. The kit includes everything you need in one package for each client. It is easily disposable and convenient. Always start a service with a clean hands, either by washing or use an effective alcohol-based product before a manicure service. Adjust the salon layout so the spacing between persons is at 6 feet apart, except when the staff is servicing clients. For instance, a booth that usually sits for 2 clients now is only for 1, and every other spa chair will be used. Consider installing divider shields between the nail tables to minimize face-to-face contact. After each service, dirty linens should be placed in a closed container and not used again until properly laundered. Discard immediately all single-use items like nail files, buffers. Clean and disinfect all hard, non-porous surfaces, glass, metal, and plastic. Allow having time to disinfect workstations and tools between each appointment. For pedicure service, Consider using a pedicure liner for each client, as well as a disposable pedicure kit. Candy Cube Complete has everything you need for each client. The kit includes pedi balm, scrub, mask, lotion, nail file, buffer, and pumice. It is safe and convenient. The nail tech should consider wearing gloves, face masks, and/or face shields during services. Remember to change gloves between each client. After each pedicure service, remove magnetic pipeless jet motor. Discard the pedicure liner. You must clean and disinfect the spa chair, pedi bowl, armrest, and footrest with EPA registered disinfectant. The following is the disinfectant procedure for all essential tools. Remove all visible debris. Clean with soap and water. Dry tool with a new clean paper towel. Fully immerse tool in an EPA registered disinfectant in required contact time. Use gloves when removing tools from the disinfectant. Completely dry the tools and store them in a clean pouch or container. Be sure to use a cleaning chemical product that is approved to use against COVID-19. You may go on the Environmental Protection Agency site, epa.gov, for an approval list and follow product instructions. Okay guys, so there you have it. These are some ideas to be implemented in your salons and during your service to help you prepare to ease the minds of your clients and to protect yourself and your clients. I know this has been hard with COVID-19. It's been really hard for all of us. We had to shut down our business and now we have to get ready to go back to work. But we can do it. We can come out of this stronger and better. So preparation is key, so take your time and check with your state board and OSHA and CDC to be sure you follow all the guidelines. Okay guys, thank you so much for tuning in and I will see you next time. Bye guys.